guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who have been here a while, I know what you're thinking and I am so sorry. I sincerely apologize for how long it has been. It's just that I have so many personal projects going on in my life that I really had struggle with time management. As of last November, I had a part-time job, which I still currently do, but I needed something else a little bit more full-time, so I got a job in February and left it. And then I recently got a new job, which I'm still playing with at the moment, so still figuring out things like that. But anyways, this video today is about the 30-day challenge that Paris is doing on the channel. It's Paris and Roxy. They are other Trinidadian YouTubers, and they are doing the 30-day Get Your Life Together challenge. So it's hashtag GYLT, Get Your Life Together. And one of the challenge is to write down 5 goals that you want to accomplish for this month. And that's exactly So my first goal is to organize my prayer space and area in my room because I just want to get that tidy and organized. My second goal is to clean my room and declutter my clothes. Clothes has been the worst thing in my room. It's taken up so much space and that needs to get organized. The third thing is to save at least $200 to $300. Once I save more, that's even better for me. My fourth goal is to spend more time with my significant other because I have so many things going on in my life right now that sometimes I tend to neglect spending as much time with him. So I want to improve that, spend way more time with him. And my fifth and final goal is to film and edit at least 4 to 5 videos for this month because you all know that I have been neglecting that area in my life. So that's my goals for this month. Day 2 was all about decluttering your handbags, purses, wallets, and basically all of the bags that we all go out with and keep our stuff in. And personally, I have actually done this as soon as I finished exams, which was sometime in the middle of May. But what I'm gonna do is still go through them again just in case there was any sort of build up again. So today is day 4 of the hashtag Get Your Life Together challenge, and the challenge today is cleaning out the most used space of your area. So that is my desk, and that is what we're gonna do right now.
This empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried.
Couch is done, and I left that box there. That is all my working pants, and I struggle with clothing storage, so I just left it with 2 laptops. So I usually put one on top of the other, or I interchange it when I need to use it. I have a computer desk, but I don't really use that at the moment. So behind, I just have my favorite book there. I have a book of quotes underneath it. As you can see, this desk is pretty small, so I don't really try to do any sort of deco or anything like that, and it's right by my window. So this has a lot of papers. It has an empty notebook, one of my favorite books. The only thing I keep here for decoration is a candle for the scent. Pencil case is behind, so it's one of those desks that you could raise up and store stuff into. So today today is day 4 of the hashtag Get Your Life Together challenge, and it's all about choosing a girl boss book for the month. And I followed one of the books that Roxy would have suggested, and I got myself hashtag Girl Boss by Sophia Amoruso. I got myself an ebook because even though I much prefer and love physical books, I'm trying to be a little bit more environmentally friendly, and choosing an ebook helps me. It makes it a little bit more easily accessible for me to be able to read and get that done. So that's the book we're gonna read. Day 5, and it's about planning your ideal day and getting all of those things that you want to get done in that day completed. So for me, my ideal day would honestly be when I have a day off, because I would be able to get every single thing that I feel like I need to get done. I would have enough time to do that. However, it's more like today is more like getting an ideal day done, but not my ideal day. But I worked last night, so I came home this morning, so I'm going to work tonight. So part of my ideal day is to get sufficient sleep and rest. My ideal plan for today is to get sleep for at least 7 hours. I'm going to have to do next thing, that's number 1. Number 2 is to do a lot of planning in my schedule and plan for my prior engagements. So things such as, you all know I'm a student ambassador at my school. Well, I'm doing tutoring, I have these YouTube stuff, I got a new job, so planning all of those things out. To update my course approval form and the guide, so the grades that I would have gotten for the semester, I'm going to put that on to the form, do a little bit of editing. Next is to plan for my tutoring session and to message a person about the time that I'm going to be coming this week to tutor them. Of course, we have to read our book for at least 20 minutes, and the next thing is to get at least 10 minutes of exercise. So updates on what we have going on for my ideal day so far. Listening to some music, we have all of these things here. So according to this list, I would have gotten a couple hours sleep already. I still take it off even though I didn't get 7 hours. I get 4.5 hours. I still want to get some sleep before I go to work, right? I finished plan my schedule here, so I have like this from a week, and then this is like all the things I have to do. So like working, student ambassador schedule, tutoring, anything else I have going on. I updated my course form with all of my grades and my GPA and all the courses I have left to do. All of these things here, and I added one more thing to the list, was to write down something, and then I got that done too. I am proud to let you know that I have finally gotten my ideal day completed. I got every single thing ticked off my list of doing. Okay, so truth be told, I am a little I am a little bit behind on schedule in terms of this challenge, but day 6 was all about getting your 1 hour of productivity done, putting aside your phone and doing something for that 1 hour that you haven't done for a very long time. You've been wanting to do that for the longest while, and for me that is doing everything YouTube related, getting content, filming, editing, and all of these things. And that editing is actually part of my plan for my ideal day, so we're gonna go do those 2 things in one. And for my 1 hour productivity, we're gonna do some editing. So
Dance through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
this little area is what we're gonna tackle with all of that clothes and clear up that space a little bit. Some things a suitcase will still be on the ground, but it's to get the clothes out of it. So let's go. So this is what we have going on here. It was really just to clear up all the clothes that was on top of here, and then this is just clean. Don't pay attention to what is behind it. This is the area that we are focusing on today. But yeah, it's done. Oh, it took around 5 to 8 minutes or so because I took the time to actually fold the clothes that was on this.